Hello, welcome to Stackable, the all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. With our extensive collection of blocks, UI kits, and various integrations, we empower you to do more with Gutenberg. Kickstart your journey in designing your own website with stackable blocks. Choose from a wide array of UI kits to level up your website design. Take your experience with website design to the next level with our various integrations. All this and more with Stackable, powering the next generation of web design.
How long does it take for one to create a website? Well, with just a few clicks, you can speed up your design workflow instantly. With Stackable, browse through our large library of ready-made designs and UI kits that makes designing a full site as simple as it can be. Easily choose between the designs you like, or have the option to visually lay out your content more efficiently with our very own wireframes. It's that simple. With flexible customization settings, enjoy the ability to fine-tune your content to your every need. Want to go beyond our already vast settings? No worries! Add custom CSS to help implement your designs perfectly. What's great is that with our global settings, you will never have to worry about designing every element on your site. Establish your go-to style for your entire site and keep all your designs consistent with each other. Be able to turn your design vision into reality in no time. Stackable is all the essential tools you need and more at your disposal. With dynamic content functionalities and motion effects, take it up a notch and create stunning and immersive experiences for site visitors. All perfectly made for different devices. We guarantee that your web pages not only look good, but perform exceptionally. And it doesn't just end there. Enjoy the ability to collaborate efficiently with clients and team members. With Role Manager, avoid any unnecessary delays and design mishaps by having control on who has permission to tweak your website's content. And just like that, with just a few clicks, speed up your design workflow and experience the best way to build websites for Gutenberg. With Stackable, the all-in-one solution for creating stunning websites with Gutenberg.